Hey guys, what's going on today? Today I'm just going to install Sublime Text and some extensions onto my Mac, iMac, and I recently did this on my MacBook. So yeah, I just started getting into this. Usually use VS Code, as you can see down here. Well, it just went away, of course. Um, but anyways, let's go and install Sublime Text, and I'll show you how I installed some of the extensions. Alright, so go to sublimetext.com, click on download, and then click on whichever you have, OSX, Windows, 64-bit, or Linux. So I'm going to click OSX. Alright, wait for that to download. Hopefully you all had a great day today. I know I'm up in Ohio and it rained all day. And some pretty major flooding going on in my neighborhood, so hopefully you have slightly better weather. So, alright, cool. There we go. Let's see. It should be in applications. No, it's not there yet. Okay, so we'll put it in applications. There we go. We'll drag it over. Cool. And there it is. Alright, so I'm going to click Sublime Text. And we'll click Yes. Alrighty. And then what we need to get is the extension manager. So let's see. So we'll go Sublime Text extensions. Alright. And I think this is package control. This is what you need. Alright, so we'll go and click that. Alright, it says here. Alright, simplest way is to gonna copy all this. And we'll go back to Sublime Text, and we'll control. That's not it. It's gonna be this one. Let's see. Hang on. There it is. Okay, no, that's not it. It's gonna be this one. Okay. For me, it's control and then the little tilde sign. So we're gonna paste that in. Hit enter. It'll run some scripts. I'll make this bigger for you guys. Reloading settings. We'll just wait for that to be done. Alright, let's see. Did that complete? I think it did. Okay, cool. So that one's done. Let's go on to definitely want to get Git installed. Let's see which way. I don't think. Okay, package control. So then you click on, you can go to this website, which is packagecontrol.io. You can download pretty much all the different things you need. So I know I like autocomplete. I'm going to do that. Auto close HTML tags. That's a good one to get. Let me go ahead and just go down here. Alright, so then you go back to your Sublime and you go to File. Let's see which one is it. It's going to be, let's see. Just have to remember which one it was here. I just did this a couple weeks ago. Alright, so let's see, it's going to be command palette. Let's see what happens. Okay, package control. Okay, there you go. So open up that and then click on install package, and we'll do auto complete. Actually, we'll do get first. Alright, so we'll do that. Alright, then there's, so it's Command Shift P. There we go. And we'll do brackets. Rainbow brackets is pretty nice to have. We'll install that one. I also like, I use React snippets. I think there's one in here. Snippet React. Let's see what React pulls up. Let's see. So we'll go back here, and then we'll search for it. React. All right. We'll do. I know we'll need Babel. We'll install that one. Might already be included with Sublime Text, so we might not need that. So let's see. React.js snippets. Alright, so we'll go to package, install package, JS snippets. Cool. And then we'll do a few more here. Open that again, install package. We'll do auto close, HTML tags. Always a nice one to have. Always great to have that. And then let's see. So we have get. All right, so cool. So then you can just go there and you can do all this pretty cool stuff. You can commit, so that's kind of cool. All right, Python. Let's see. Package. Python. We will do. Let's see which ones are there for Python. And the number of installs, that's always kind of a good thing to look for, because if it has more installs, more likely it's a better package. So we'll do Python 3. That's gonna be a good one to have. And then we'll do we need a good debugger linter. What's this one here? Let's see. This one here. Let's see. Okay, we'll come back to that. I mean, so this package control is just really nice for things like this. Emmet CSS snips. These are always nice to have. So they do have a lot of packages here. So I mean, it just, pretty nice to have these packages. Pretty much the same things I have, because I'll put my VS Code. I'll show you which packages I have for that. And let's see. Auto rename tag. I don't think they have rename tab. This is one thing I did not find for VS Code when I was searching. So Babel. Let's see. Okay, we'll do install package Babel. Let's see. Obviously, there's going to be no live share, but IntelliSense, that's always a good one. IntelliSense. if I can spell today. Alright, let's see. IntelliSense. $126,000. I'm not really going to do that one. Let's see what else is popular here. GraphQL. Those are nice to have. But I think I'm going to do most of my GraphQL stuff in VS Code for now, so we're going to leave that off. Quokka, if you like that. If I said that right, I might just mess it up. Autocomplete. Let's see which ones are popular for this one. All autocomplete. Okay. Alright, let's try this one. All autocomplete. Package. Go there. All autocomplete. We'll try that one. What else is pretty nice to have? HTML snippets. Those are always good to have. Emmet is always great to have. Package, HTML, snippets. And just kind of find the ones you like. You know, you might not like all these. What they got for JavaScript? So we got Babel. We already got that one installed. Do a ESLint. That's a good one to have usually. Alright, so I think this is a pretty good start. I mean, anything that we might decide we need later, we can always just come back and get. Well, like a live server. What do they have for that? Reload. It's this one here. 79 installed. Huh. So we'll come back to that. React. ID utils. Might be nice to have later. I mean, there's just so many different plugins you can do, which is kind of cool. Pretty JSON. Huh. I'm going to use that because the JSON files are always fun to deal with. So why not? Alright, that's kind of nice. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, so I do want some sort of like prettier. Do they have that? JS prettier. Okay. Yeah, we'll use that. It's a nice code formatter. So definitely find one you like there. But we'll try this one here for JavaScript. JS prettier. But I also want to, well, we'll see. Yeah, I think I messed that one up. Let's try it again. Okay, prettier. JS prettier. There we go. So I'll do this one because it has HTML, CSS, and JS prettify. That should, well, let's see. Let's make sure we get the right one. Code formatter. What's a popular one here? Okay, so it's HTML, CSS, JS prettify. That is the one to get. So that is going to be the right one. Okay. Cool. And then you can see all your packages. I think if you go to, where's it going to be? You get all your snippets, which kind of nice. Yeah, it's kind of nice. The lorem ipsum snippet. It's good. You can do like a new file. Let's do like call it test.html, whatever. All right. All right. Close. How do we close this? Close. There we go. Okay. Let's see what snippets we have. HTML snippets. How do we use those? HTML snippets. Doc type. How do we get them to work though? Did we install this one yet? Because, you know, who remembers how to do like the doc type and every time without, you know. Oh, wait. Okay, we do have it. Okay. Let's see this one here. Oh, nice. So you can go to oh, there we go. That's kind of nice, huh? Nice. How do we do it now? Let's figure out how we use the prettier options. Okay. So we'll go to, so we do have quite a few snippets, which is kind of nice. I'm sure you can definitely put more in there as well. Alright, close this window out. Let's go to our Prettify. So it's going to be Shift and H. Whoa, I didn't want to do that. I think I can just close it out. Nope, okay. Let's do, so that is going to be how it formats it. Okay, interesting. Let's go to some settings here. Let's see. Indent level 4, indent size 4, that's fine, I like that. CSS. Do they have like a on auto save? That'd be, or on save. I don't see it on save, but it's okay. Alright, cool. So we'll say testing out Sublime Text. Alright, let's go down the body. See, there's the autocomplete, which is really nice. We'll just write hello world. Let's see. Testing out prettier. Alright, let's mess it up a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and add some spaces here, add a couple spaces here. Now let's see what it does. Let's see how it does. That was pretty nice. I kind of wish it brought this one up to there, but I can live with that. Overall, not bad. I'm sure some tweaking with it could really, get the way you want. So there you go. I think we are. Let's go see which all. And then this file, you can, you get all your git commands there, which is pretty nice. But then you can also get, you can like get in it, that way we can Let's get directory, desktop, sure, why not? I think I just initialized the whole desktop for the git, but that's okay, because we're not actually going to do anything because it's not a folder. But you do like git push, so you kind of do have like a little bit of, it's not as nice as VS Code, where you literally have like source control right there, and you can also get the terminal. So it's just not as nice, but it is a nice clean editor, and I think I'm gonna use it, especially for like Python stuff. I read it's like, one of the more ideal editors for Python, so definitely use it for that. But anyways, let's go see real quick before we wrap this up here. See if we can see all the different. I want to see all the. What do you call it? It's 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's kind of late. We will do. It's probably right here somewhere. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can go to package control view list. Okay. List packages. Cool. So there's what we have. We have all these. So pretty nice. Pretty nice little start. And then, yep, there's your installed packages. And if you want to check out the settings form, I believe you go to preference. No, that's gonna be Finder. Just kidding. Preferences, and then package control. And you can sit there and go through all these. So like settings, rainbow brackets. Wonder why it's not taking effect on these. Is it only brackets won't do actual text? Yeah, okay, so it should just be like if we had like brackets. Okay. Especially like React and like JavaScript. It'd be really nice for that, so we'll test that at a later time. But anyways, hope you found this helpful. It was fun. Come back, we'll learn some more stuff together. And until next time, I'm Michael, and you guys have a great day.